Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Remembering dozens of complex passwords is nearly impossible. Thankfully, Chrome has a built-in password manager that can not only save your password securely, but also help you log in with just a click. In this video, I'll show you how to manage all your saved passwords directly in your browser. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about saving a password. When you log into a website for the first time, Chrome will usually prompt you with a small pop-up dialog asking if you want to save the password. Simply click Save to let Chrome store it securely. If you accidentally click Never, you can always clear that decision later in Settings. Now, to view and manage all your saved passwords, click the three-dot menu in the top right and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Autofill and Passwords on the left-hand side, and then select Google Password Manager. This is your central hub for all things passwords. You can also get here faster by typing Chrome // password manager directly into your address bar. Here, you'll see a list of all your saved websites and usernames. To view the password for a specific login, click on the icon next to it. Chrome will ask you to verify your Windows password for security. This ensures no one can see your passwords just by having access to your browser. From this menu, you can also edit a username or password if you've changed it. Delete a saved login you no longer need. See if a password has been exposed in a data breach and change it if needed. Here's a pro tip. When you're signing into a site, Chrome can also suggest a strong, unique password for you. Just click on the suggested password in the pop-up, and it will generate and save it automatically. This is one of the best ways to improve your online security. Finally, if you're signed into Chrome with your Google account, these passwords will safely sync across all your devices, so they're available on your phone and other computers. If this guide helped you take control of your digital keys, please give this video a like. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials that make technology easier to use. Thanks for watching.